My new car. Oh my goodness. This is craziness, man. I don't know how good the quality will be. Oh, it's just so easy. Oh my. So I don't know how good the quality will be. Unfortunately, it's about 6:30 p.m. so pitch black. You can't really see too much. But yeah, I set up the two cameras as best as I could. I'm driving it home from the dealership. Come on! 2005 BMW Z4. My absolute dream vehicle, dream car. I mean, I'm doing it. Absolutely abysmal tires, actually. I will have to get studded tires for this in the winter. It's very, very bad. I don't know if these are all season or summer, but very bad. Very, very bad. Zero grip. Just sliding along. I mean, I'm barely putting my foot on the gas and I'm just sliding. So I'll try and shift up to have a little bit less power. But yeah, I mean, just craziness. Oh my god. This thing feels so long and wide. Absolutely speechless. I'll have to make lots of content with this car. I cannot wait. Not sure what the content will be, honestly, but it will be something. Have to do something. This thing is just so much fun to drive. Even if I'm just sliding all over the place at the moment. I've never really been sliding before, so, you know, this is a new experience. Very spooky. The back just comes out like that, you know what I mean? Oh, but I'm going to quote somebody. A wise man once said, I am in my element. Oh. Oh my god, that instantaneous power. I mean, I don't even know what the limit is here, to be honest. I'd have to buy a phone mount for this thing. It's so quiet as well, just silent. I mean, you probably hear a lot of noise at the moment because I have the vents going full blast. I don't want this thing to fog up because I will die if I cannot see anything. Just the steering wheel just feels so comfortable. So comfortable. I hope the audio quality is not too bad. Oh, watch out, my guy. Just instantaneous response from the car. It's insane. Like instantaneous throttle response. Like, you have to understand, I come from my little Fiat 500. Like, you know what I mean? It rev hangs. It's not a luxurious vehicle. This thing, man, like I'm telling you, 3.0, big engine, and the engine bay is just massive. This is exactly the feeling I wanted from this car. And it's probably even better than what I wanted. But yeah, I will have to get some tires. Winter tires, I should say, for sure. So I live in Canada and this is a US model, which is crazy. So I believe they told me this thing never even seen snow and ice. You know what I mean? Like, so it's in very good condition. Obviously, it's a 15 18-year-old car, so it does have some imperfections, you know, that I can fix up or get somebody else to fix up. Not sure how much I can do myself, but oh man, this is just crazy. I can get used to this, you know what I mean? It's luxury, absolute luxury. It is a little hard to see how fast I'm going because in Canada there's kilometers, okay? In the US there's miles. So the big number on the dashboard is actually the miles, and the small number is the kilometers. So I really have to squint to see how fast I'm going, but I will have a full mount and I'll be able to. He's sliding more than me, the poor guy. And I really do have to be careful with these big boots that I have. Woo! Fucking hell. These big boots that I have, because sometimes I feel like I'm pressing very close to the brake. I don't want to be pressing the brake and the gas at the same time, obviously, unless you know how to shift like that. But yeah, do not want to be doing that. Oh my god, man, this thing just feels insane. Instantaneous throttle response. I really have to get used to that. This is not something just, oh my god, I'm shifting like an absolute amateur, man. Oh, after my Fiat, like, I really have to get used to this. The downshifting, because instantaneous, like you get acceleration immediately, so the revs climb up so quickly, like as soon as you touch the throttle they climb up. So I'm not used to that, you know. On the little Fiat I had to really exaggerate the pressing the gas and leaving my foot on the pedal for, you know, just for a split second, but I had to do that. But this thing, like, you don't have to do that. You don't do that. Downshift. So, yeah, I really have to just get used to that. Oh man, I'm in my element. Absolutely. Not quite sure how the air conditioning works and all that. Have to really figure it out, because the heat it's pushing in is like immense. I'm gonna be sweating soon, you know. Oh, so I don't really know how to, or even not just the heat, but also the amount of air it's pushing. I really have to adjust that. I just don't know how. Honestly, visibility blind spots are not too bad in this vehicle at all. I don't know if any of this footage will be useful because it's so, my goodness, because it's so dark. I don't know if the Insta360 can really handle this kind of the darkness, because I think my Sony ZV-E10 is handling this just fine as far as I can see, but I don't know about the Insta360. Well, yeah, we'll see. I do hope I can kind of use this footage. It would be amazing. Jesus. Oh fuck, I think I hit my head in the glass. Oh my goodness, this thing. This feels ridiculous, man. So I'm turning left at the light. Oh. Jesus Christ. Try to press on the clutch. I hit the brake. Everything is kind of close together. Something to get used to. But oh man, I'm in my element for sure. This is it. you know, anytime I make a bigger purchase, I feel kind of anxious. I feel like it's not what I should do. But this fucking heat, man, it's eliminating me. I don't really know how to change this. Oh, hold on. Fucking hell, I think I found it. The setting for the vents, the airflow. Shit. And it's all in Fahrenheit too. So I'm like, man, what the fuck even is 70 or 60? Like, what does that even mean? You know what I mean? In Celsius, that would be killer, man. So I don't quite know what that means, to be honest. Jesus! Oh my god, I have to be careful in this thing. The tickets I'm gonna get, man. Ooh! I don't like it. I don't... Jesus, fuck, man. Alright. Well, anyway. Oh, man. Yeah, I really have to get used to driving this thing. It's got power, it's got speed. It's a little bit bigger than my Fiat 2. Almost 2 foot longer. About 50 centimeters longer, I think. And the downshifting, yeah, definitely have to get used to the instantaneous power. Like, I really don't need to step on the gas when I'm downshifting. But, oh my god, man, this just feels right. Just feels right. But yeah, as I was saying, any time I made a bigger purchase, I mean, I just didn't really feel, it just didn't really feel right, you know what I mean? Even starting from first, obviously, when, fuck, what am I even trying to say? It's having a, Jesus fuck. Okay, let's relax. Relax. Fucking hell. Going from a full stop. Yeah, I really have to find that biting point. It's that's was very easy with my little Fiat. Again, just driving that thing for years. So I'll have to get used to it. I don't want to be stalling in this looking like an absolute noob, right? So I'll have to get used to yeah, just everything, but yeah, just saying that that's also seemingly not as easy as it was, like, as in my Fiat, you know. But yeah, so anyway, I started this topic quite a few times already, but I don't even know how many lanes there are here, man. Like, it's just, there's, yeah, you can't see the paint on the road, nothing. But what was I saying? So anxious, yes. So anytime I made a bigger purchase, I got so anxious and I felt like, why am I even doing this? Like, I shouldn't be doing this. You know, same feeling when I this thing is still pushing fucking heat, man. Jesus. Not quite sure how to adjust that yet, but yeah, so same kind of feeling I got, just very anxious. I'm like, man, it's so much money. Do I need this? I mean, I don't need it, right? Have a reliable little machine already. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I'm pressing on the fucking brake at the same time. Honestly, cannot tell. I mean, I don't think I am. I mean, the car would really just jerk, you know what I mean? But I'll have to look into that. Yeah, this thing pushes some serious heat. And yeah, you need that for sure living in Canada. You know what I mean? So yeah, kind of running out of things to say. I don't even know if this footage will be any use to me. Oh man, all the sliding and stuff, just so much fun. mean, it can definitely get spooky, but yeah, very, very fun. Oh my goodness, my poor phone. Well, let's just make it home safely, you know. Cannot wait to see how this car drives with the studded tires in winter. I cannot wait. Because imagine, it will only be slipping when I want it to slip. Yo, that is it. Yeah, I don't know how much you can see of this footage. Yeah, sliding quite a bit in first gear. Just so much power. Man, I wanted to go to Walmart. Woo! Makes a bit of noise, this thing as well. I don't know how well it will pick up the noise on the camera, but yeah, it does make a bit of noise, man. And I won't really rev it to what, 2000 maybe? Like, so, oh man. Fucking hell. Oh, come on. Oh, oh, smooth. Fucking smooth, man. That little bit of that exhaust noise when you downshift, man. Oof. My goodness. Oh, man. I'm gonna be a hooligan in this thing. I'm gonna be a hooligan. Woo. Oh man, so I wanted to go to Walmart actually, because when I want to celebrate something, I've been doing it by buying a strawberry rhubarb pie. And now you might think, oh, you're a fitness guy, what are you doing, man? Why are you eating that shit? I have no diet. Some people will find that hard to believe, but I just eat what I want. Now I can give advice on what you need to eat and all that. I mean, you can learn all that, right? And I do have some experience in dieting, but yeah, I wanted to buy that pie, but tonight, I don't know. I'm just gonna relax, take it easy. Oh my god, this thing, man. This bridge is closed, yeah. Yeah, fuck's sake, I keep hitting the brake, man, when I'm trying to get to the clutch. Oh my god, man. Yeah, my positioning of my feet has to be better. I'm just waffling at this point, I'm just speechless, I mean. Woo! Jesus! Just so happy driving this thing. So happy. I mean, oh my god, I just cannot. I cannot stop sliding, man. Fuck, I don't know if I'm hitting the brake, man. I really will have to check that. Oh my god, this thing, man. It's a monster! Fucking hell! Oh man. Well, I think this is it. Journey's ending soon. So guys, if you were able to watch this video, please give it a like. If you enjoyed it as much as I have. Probably not as much as I have, but yeah, if you're happy for me, give it a like please. Got my dream car. And yeah, subscribe please. There will be more content with this car, I promise you that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you guys.